Hi Atlanta Dance Central. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your half up, half down hair for recital. So we'll start by brushing out the hair, making sure it's nice and smooth, and we're not going to be using a part for this style, so you can brush the hair straight back if you like. Then once the hair is all brushed out, I'm going to start gathering the section of hair that I want to pull up. So I'm going to pull up everything above her ears, and I'm going to draw a line from her ears up to the crown of her head, and that's where the ponytail is going to sit. So gathering that hair, separating it out, and then we'll work on making it nice and smooth and pretty. So again, no part for this style, so you can brush it straight back and really work to make sure that it's nice and smooth and there's no lumps and bumps. Then once we have our hair where we want it, we're going to go ahead and take our hair tie and wrap it around the hair to secure it. If you have extra thick hair, you could use 2 hair ties here if you need to, but we didn't need to, so we just use one, and make sure that your hair tie matches your hair color. And then we're going to take some hairspray and a boar bristle brush to make sure that everything's nice and smooth, get rid of all those flyaways. I like the boar bristle brush because it really does like anchor the flyaways down. If you have lots of baby hairs, you could use hair gel as well, but we didn't need to do that with Alyssa. Then I'm showing you how to put on your hairpiece. So if it says on the front of your head, think like Minnie Mouse. So how her bow kind of sits right on the top of her head facing forward. That's what we want with this hair accessory. And here's our finished product.